Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Stinger key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home with minimal effort. Let's get started by preparing our key fob for opening. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your Kia Stinger key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot where the key blade was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob case. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic housing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Once removed, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Now let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Try locking and unlocking your car. If everything functions as expected, you've successfully replaced your battery. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and more information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.